Connecting Stripe to Odoo's accounting module streamlines your payment processes. Odoo uses Stripe as a payment gateway to process customer payments via credit cards, digital wallets, and ACH transfers. Stripe holds these funds temporarily before transferring them to your bank account based on your chosen payout schedule, daily, weekly, etc. Odoo's Stripe Payment Acquirer module, found within the accounting app, facilitates this connection via API keys and webhooks. As of late 2025, this integration is fully supported in Odoo versions 17 and 18. In Odoo, navigate to Accounting, Payments, Payment Acquirers, select Stripe, and enter your publishable and secret keys from your Stripe dashboard. Configure webhooks for key events like successful or failed payments. Stripe's escrow functionality and Odoo's automation make this a powerful integration. Reconciliation is the automated matching of Stripe transactions with Odoo invoices and bills. This process ensures that payments, payouts, and other financial activities are accurately reflected in your accounting records. Odoo's bank synchronization feature pulls Stripe data via API or manual import. This enables real-time ledger updates, automatically handling disputes, refunds, and chargebacks to keep your financial records current. Webhooks are crucial for instant updates from Stripe to Odoo, ensuring immediate synchronization. For exceptions, manual rules can be configured to handle unique situations that automated processes might not cover. The latest trends include AI-driven reconciliation in Odoo 18, where machine learning automatically matches transactions and predicts potential discrepancies with remarkable accuracy, reducing manual effort. Integrations are also trending toward eco-friendly payments, such as Stripe's carbon offset features that can be tracked and reported within Odoo, promoting sustainable business practices. Looking ahead, expect deeper API unification and potentially a native Stripe Odoo connector app, further automating financial compliance and empowering businesses with reliable, scalable payment management.